Yes, sir.
Okay. If someone
So
were
like
to
that,
ask,
for like that, I have confusion, sir. Like 100. So where should we use 100, sir?
where should we use 100?
Yeah, to convert.
Okay. Let me explain the whole thing here. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
look carefully. The every step which I'm going to tell you, pay attention to it carefully.
Okay, sir.
So if 1 kilometer has 1,000 meter, you tell me 35 kilometer will have how many thousand meter? In meter, how many it will be equal to? 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. 2 kilometer will be equal to
35,000.
35,000 now. So
Yes,
that we
sir.
calculated by simply multiplying by 1,000 now. Okay, so we are going to multiply it with 1,000 here. Okay. Now we have to convert from hour to second. Let's say we have to convert from hour to second now. But first from hour we have to convert into minute now.
Yes, sir.
And from minute then we'll be required to convert to second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 hour has how many minutes?
60.
How did you got it? By multiplying it with 60 now.
Yes, sir.
1 minute equals to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
How did you got it? By multiplying the minute with 60 now.
Yes, sir.
So when we are required to convert from hour to second, we are going to multiply it with 62 times.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now, like first we are going to convert it into minute. Like 1 hour in minute is going to 60 minute. Now 60 minute, as we know that 1 minute equals to 60 second. So 60 minute will be equal to 60 times 60 now.
Yes, sir.
That will be 3600 second now. So 1 hour in second is 3600 second. First we converted this into minute. So in minute we got it to be 60 minute. We know 1 minute equals to 60 second. So if there is 60 second in 1 minute, so in 60 minute how many seconds are going to be there? So I'm going to simply multiply it. So here we have
Okay, sir.
multiplied it with 60 with 2 times. Now take out this for a while. So this is 1000 upon 3600, right?
Yes, sir.
We can cancel this 20. We can cancel this 20. What are we
Yes, sir.
left with? 10 upon 36. After
Yes.
simplifying it, it will be 5 upon 18. Right now? So we can simply multiply 35
Good evening,
kilometer
sir.
is good evening, how are you? With 5 upon 18. And then our answer will come in meter per second. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
That is how we have to do. Okay, now? Priyanka, that's it for
Okay.
today. Other class is going to start. Otherwise, I would have continued. Okay? We'll
Okay,
be
sir.
continuing in the
Thank you
next
so much,
classroom.
sir.
Yes, you're
Bye.
welcome. Bye. Yes, Ayush, hope you're good.
Yeah, sir, I'm good. How are you,
Okay.
sir?
Yes, I'm also good. So this is your division class. Okay, kind of your doubt class. So do tell me what are the topics in which you're having doubt?
Like I have doubt in like I written one in one notebook. I will just take my notebook and I will clear my doubt.
Okay. Take it. I will be back in a minute. Let me just fill the cup with water and we'll be continuing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, Ayush, I'm back. Yes. Tell me the questions in which you're having doubt.
Yeah, I have only two questions. Okay,
Mhm.
from components of food.
Yes.
First question is what is the purpose of the vitamin B in our body?
Okay.
Sir, only
Finish?
1 minute. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, sir, you can continue.
Okay.
And like I was saying that I have like four
Mhm.
questions from components of food. First
Yes.
question, okay. First question is, do vitamin B, okay, do vitamin B, what is water soluble or okay, it is fat soluble?
Hmm. Okay, okay. Or fat soluble. Okay, good. For the next question is, what is its role? Okay, na?
No, no, no. Like no, 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 sir. Like, what is the purpose of vitamin B in our body?
Okay, okay, got it, got it. Okay. So the purpose of vitamin B in the body. Let me write it on the other slide. Purpose of vitamin B in the body. Okay. First of all, we're
Like
going.
I know, like I know, vitamin A. It keeps our and skin and like it healthy.
Mhm.
Like this are like I know this type, but okay, vitamin B. Okay, like they didn't okay explain properly in that. That's why I can't okay understand, and I just want to clear my doubt in the class.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay. First of all, let me tell you the different roles of the vitamin B in our body. Vitamin B,
Mm.
let us understand this first of all. Let me just take this box here so that we can highlight this properly. See, vitamin B, there are actually 8 different kind of vitamin B in our body. It's a group of vitamin. Getting it now? And
Okay,
vitamin B are water soluble. They are soluble in water, meaning that they dissolve in
okay,
water. Getting it now?
okay,
So vitamin B vitamins basically they are a group of total 8 vitamins. Vitamin
okay,
B is a group of 8 vitamins. Like we have vitamin B1, we have I mean to say vitamin B2, vitamin B3 is there, vitamin B6 is there, vitamin B12 is there, vitamin B9. Huh? So let me just provide you the name. All of them are called as vitamin. Just a minute. We see that vitamin B is a group of 8 vitamins in the body. 8 vitamins. You don't have to memorize all of it, but as a general thing, I'm telling you the names of different kind of vitamin B. Getting it now?
okay,
Like
okay, okay.
we have vitamin B1, we have vitamin B2, B3, B6, then you have B9, then you have B12, then you have B12. Getting it now? So
Yeah,
B1 is there, B2 is there, B3 is there, B6, B9, B12. Then we have B7 also in this. Right now, B7 is there. So B7, I think we have missed any of this point. 7. B1, B2, B3, B6, B6, B7. We have taken B9. We are missing simply B. Okay. So there are total 8 different vitamin B in our body that is required by the body. All of them have got, we can sum it up that all of them have got one simple function to perform. Like they are essential for the energy production in the body. Talking about their function, the following are the functions of the vitamin B in our body. The first function we say that for production of energy in the body, vitamin B is essential, meaning that whatever food we are eating now, Ayush, that food will be converted into energy with the help of vitamin B. Getting the first thing?
okay,
Like you have ate something in the morning. So your body has got, if your body has these type of vitamin, you have the vitamin B, then vitamin B will be helping your body to get energy from the food that you have eaten. Got this now? That
Yeah.
is one thing. So it helps in converting food to energy. That is one of the function performed by it. Further, they are helpful in forming the red blood cells also. When we look at our blood now, why the blood is red? Because there are red blood cells inside the blood. Getting my
Okay.
point? So they
Yeah.
help in helps in formation of red blood cells. Have you heard of this term before? Red blood cell?
No, sir.
Okay, no issue. But now you'll be aware of this. Okay, now that is something. Further, it has an important role in proper brain functioning. Okay, now so it maintains proper brain function. These different group of vitamin B maintains proper brain function. Okay.
Okay.
Further, they will be helping or they will be promoting the growth of the cells like red blood cells. Right now, in these
Okay.
manner they are important. Like in order to create the new blood cells, new red blood cells, in order to convert the food into energy, they are important. Other important
Okay.
functions are that to maintain a healthy skin, it is important. To maintain healthy skin, they are important. So these are the different functions performed by different types of vitamin B which we take. Is that clear
Okay.
to you?
Yeah. Sir, can I write this?
Yeah, sure, you can write down these things. And the important thing, as I have said in the beginning, that it's a group of 8 vitamins, and also that they are water soluble.
Okay, sir.
They are water soluble. Also, there are different kind of fruit that are rich in vitamin B, like oranges, uh, apples, banana, avocados. They are a rich source of vitamin B. So, food that contains vitamin B are as follows. They are apple, avocados, you have oranges, banana, etc.
Okay, sir.
B5 was actually missing in this. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and then B12. Okay. Yes, Ayush.
Yes, sir. Only last one I'm writing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. I done.
Done? Good.
Yes, sir.
Further answering your first question, that do water be, is it soluble or in water, or is it soluble in fat? So it is soluble in water. Okay, now
Yes. Sir.
further, let me elaborate on this topic. There are two types of vitamins. One that is soluble in fat, another one that is not soluble in fat. Okay, now
Okay,
talking
sir.
about types of vitamins, there are two types. The type A is the fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. That's the type A. Type B is the water soluble vitamins. Water
Okay.
soluble vitamin. Talking about the fat soluble vitamin, so these are the vitamins. Yes.
Like in fat soluble, there are the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K.
Well done.
And in water soluble, there is vitamin C and vitamin B.
Exactly. Right now. So there are
Yes.
actually 9 vitamins which are soluble in water. 8 vitamin B, group of the 8 vitamin B, and there is one that is vitamin C. Right now, so all of them are soluble in the water. That is one thing. Okay. But there is one exception in the case of this. Vitamin B2 usually is not soluble in the water. Okay, na?
Okay,
So
sir.
there is one exception. So let me just clarify on this. So vitamins, there are two types. The type of vitamin which are soluble in the fat, as you have mentioned, vitamin A, D, E, and K. Now these vitamins, they are actually stored in the different kind of fatty tissue in our body. They are get stored in the muscles, and they get stored in the liver. Getting it on? They get stored in
Yes, sir.
these parts of the body. But when we talk about the water soluble vitamin now, so water soluble vitamin, like if we are taking excess amount of these vitamins, important thing to be noted down that the water soluble vitamins, namely the vitamin C and the different groups of vitamin B, they are not stored in our body. They are not stored in the body. So meaning that if we consume them in extra amount, so they will be released from the body via the urine. They will be released from the body via the urine. Getting the basic difference now, Ayush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So vitamin A, D, E, and K are stored in the different parts of the body, like liver, and in fatty tissues. That is one thing. Then talking about this water soluble vitamin, we have examples like vitamin C and vitamin B, and all the vitamin B are water soluble. Another important thing here we have learned that they are not stored in the body. They aren't stored in the body. Meaning that if you are taking extra amount of it now, so extra amount of these vitamin is released from the body. So extra amount is released via the urine. Via the urine, it is released from the body. Understood this thing now?
Yes, sir.
So hope this should be clear to you. Any other doubts?
No, no, sir. Only this two was the.
Only these two. Okay. By the way, today, I had actually taken questions for you. You done? Are you writing this down?
No, sir, I didn't like
Oh,
vitamin A.
okay. I had actually taken some questions for you, like question from the first chapter, from the chapter uh, motion and measurement. I have taken some question from that, and from electric current also. So how about you do these questions? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Or do you have any other doubts, Ayush?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Let's do these questions then. Okay. Hmm. So which nutrient is the main source of energy for our body?
What is the nutrients in the main source of our body?
Hmm.
Sir, vitamin.
Energy. It's talking about energy, no, Ayush.
Okay. Energy means like we can say energy
Main source of energy. Source of energy meaning that.
means like fat.
Hmm. But it's talking about main source. The main source. Like fat and carbohydrate, both of them provides us with energy. But do we consider fat as the main source of energy? Do we consume fat in more quantity to obtain energy? Because fat will lead to obesity, it will lead to heart disease, it will damage the liver. So
Okay.
thereby we will consume the like roti, that is chapati. We consume rice that has carbohydrate. Chapati has carbohydrate in it, right now. So carbohydrate is the main source of our energy. Understanding the why we are not calling fat
Yes,
as
sir.
the main source, because it will have some adverse effect, bad effect on the health.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question.
Which components of food help in the building and repair the tissues? It is answer is okay. Protein.
Protein, well done. Next.
Which vitamin is essential for maintaining health eyesight?
Hmm.
Uh, like
Yes.
yes, sir, only one.
Okay, okay, take your time, no issue.
Yes, sir. Which
See,
sir is it? Yes, sir. Is it vitamin A?
exactly, that is vitamin A. Okay, na? So
Okay.
vitamin A, it leads to deficiency disease where the vision is lost, loss of vision. Vitamin B, what does it causes? It causes beriberi, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? In which
Yeah.
our muscles will become very weak. If a person
Oh,
suffers from deficiency of vitamin B1, he will suffer from the condition called as beriberi, in which our muscles will become very weak and we will not be left with sufficient energy to do our work.
okay, sir.
Vitamin C, what is the deficiency disease caused due to lack of vitamin C? I can give you a hint.
Like cervix.
Exactly, that is scurvy. Okay, now?
Yeah.
Now, in this case of scurvy, like we know that vitamin C helps in healing the wound. It helps in healing the wound in our body. So because of the lack of vitamin C in our diet, we can suffer from bleeding gums. There can be bleeding in the gums, right now.
Okay.
If there
Yes,
is a
sir.
wound in our body, wound will take long time to heal. That is one thing. Okay. Talking about vitamin D, due to the lack of vitamin D, will person suffers from?
Like uh, rabies.
No, that's a different thing. No, rickets,
Uh,
rickets,
okay, rickets.
rickets.
Okay,
Okay,
like
no.
that.
What about the lack of iron? Lack of iron in diet leads to
no, anemia, some.
anemia. Very good.
Yeah.
And lack of iodine leads to
Like water, some, like
goiter.
waters.
Well done. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, one more. Do tell me if the vitamin K is not present properly in our diet, then
Like the vitamin K, the means vitamin K helps in the clothing of blood in our body.
exactly.
Okay, when we will not like eat, okay, with like source of vitamin K, we will not eat that. Okay, the clothing of blood will be less. Okay, blood
Exactly.
level be blood level be low.
Level will not be low. But if there's a wound in the hand, the blood will continue to ooze out from that wound. It will not
Okay,
clot. Okay, no. So for
okay,
clot
sir.
formation, it is important. Good. So therefore, one should
Okay, sir.
consume different kind of leafy vegetables like kale, like broccoli, like kiwi. So they are good source of
Okay, sir.
vitamin K. Okay. Next
Okay.
question.
Which of the following is the right source of dietary fiber?
Rich source of dietary fiber.
Which,
Mm.
sir, only 1 minute.
Mhm. By the way, another name of dietary fiber, you know, it is what's the another name for dietary fiber? It is simply roughage. Okay, no? And roughage we get by eating plant-based food. Okay, no?
Sir, can you, okay, what you said now, can you repeat? Because my father was, okay, saying something to me.
Okay, no issue. I was saying that now. Roughage
Yeah.
or dietary fiber, they are the same thing.
Yes,
And
sir.
we get it by eating plant-based food. Particularly the
Yes, sir.
leafy vegetables, they contain good amount of roughage in it. And roughage
Okay.
is helpful in digestion.
Yes, sir.
So the answer to the
Yes,
question
it
is
gave, yes, sir. Yes, the answer is leafy vegetable.
good. Next,
Which nutrients help in the absorption of the calcium in our body? Uh, like
which nutrient helps in absorption of calcium in the body?
1 minute, sir.
Try to recall this.
Yeah, sir. I know. I just learned, but I'm just remembering.
Okay, take your time. Like for 10 to 15 minutes, you should sit in the sunlight. Why? Sunshine is good for the health of the body.
Sir means the answer. Sir means the answer is the vitamin D.
Exactly. Okay, no. So vitamin D we get it from the sunshine and by eating mushroom and lot of other foods. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sir.
like some kind of fishes also contain it. Egg yolk also contains vitamin D. Nonetheless, the thing is to absorb calcium, vitamin D is required for the body. It is required by the body. Only
Oh,
then our body will be able to absorb calcium. Now we have question from the chapter motion and time. Okay. So which of the following is an example of rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion, you understand what kind of motion is it? A motion in
yeah,
the
sir means reticulate motion is the motion that move along at the straight line is called
exactly
the reticulate motion.
rectilinear motion. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Rectilinear motion, yeah. So which one is moving in a straight line, straight direction?
A car moving on a straight road.
Hmm. Well, the next question.
What is the use to measure the length of an object? Like
Hmm.
you want to measure the object, a ruler, or can be a ruler we can
Exactly. What type of motion does the Earth's rotation on its axis represent?
a circular motion.
Circular motion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it does a circular motion around it. Good. Further, we see
Like
that.
an
Mhm.
like a circular motion, that an object that move along the circular path is first like circular motion. Like
Well, exactly. So that is example of a circular motion. We have some other examples like a spinning top that also does a circular motion. Got this, no?
second hand of the clock is moving.
Exactly. Okay. Next, which of the following is the standard unit of length in the metric system? Like earlier, we used to have unstandard units of measurement. Earlier, people would be taking the help of their palm and
Like
their
like
hand.
answer is foot D1.
No, standard unit is meter now. The standard unit of length in the metric system is meter. Okay, no, it's the meter, not foot. Get it now,
Okay.
Ayush? Okay, so
Okay,
that is
okay, okay.
that is meter. Okay, 1 minute here. Next question: the distance between two cities is usually measured in. If we have
Kilometer.
kilometers, so if we have to measure bigger distances, we use kilometer. What is the source of? We have question from electricity now. Okay, no. So,
Okay, sir.
what is the source of electric current in simple electric circuit?
What is the source of electric current? Simple electric. Uh, 1 minute, sir. Sir, it is battery.
It is battery. Very good. Okay, no? So this is a simple close. This is a simple electric circuit. So this is the battery, which is the source of current, because of which the bulb will be glowing. Next,
An electric circuit which device control the flow of current. Like answer is switch.
exactly. So it will either allow the electric current to flow or either will stop the flow of electric
Stop
current. Hmm.
of the electric.
We know there are two type of material: one which allows the electric current to flow, one that does not allow the electric current to flow. So here, which of them is an insulator? The one that does not allow electric current to pass through, that is called as an insulator, no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So which one will not allow the electric current to pass through it?
Plastic.
Exactly, that is plastic. Next, which part of the battery is masked with this plus sign here?
Uh, like it is positive terminal.
Exactly. So there are two terminals in a battery. There are
Like
two terminals.
positive and negative.
Exactly. Okay, no? Like the one
Yes.
that you see here, this one is the positive, and this other side is the negative terminal. Okay, no?
Negative.
Okay,
Yes,
like
sir.
here, this is the metal disc, and here we have the metal cap.
Okay, sir.
You will see a small cap like a structure. That is the metal cap, and it's the positive terminal. Okay, next question.
Which of the following is not required to complete an electric current?
Circuit, not current.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Hmm,
Circuit.
no. Here, as we
Sir,
can
I,
see.
sir, I
Okay,
didn't understand what is the question.
okay. Say, for example, to make an electric circuit, to complete this electric circuit, what do we require? Minimum, we require a
Uh,
bulb,
why?
a battery, a
And
switch,
a
and a
and a
wire,
one why?
right?
Yes, sir.
So we require these things now, but do we require water?
No.
No. So this is not required, no?
Okay.
Okay. We have fill in the blank question from the same chapter, yes. The question is the continuous flow of electric charges through a material. What do we call this?
Electric charge.
So you have a copper wire. Okay.
Okay.
This is a copper wire, and in the copper wire, charges are flowing. What is this? Charge is flowing. Specifically, electric charge is flowing. So if the bulb in the house is glowing, so if the bulb in the house is glowing, so there what is happening? The electric charges are actually flowing in the wire, because of which the bulb is glowing. And this continuous flow of the electric charge through a material is called as electric current. Getting it, Ayush? That is called as electric current. Understood it or not? Ayush, you got this?
Yes, sir. I now understood that question.
Okay. Question number 7. The path along which electric current flows is called an electric.
1 minute, sir. Is sir electric circuit.
Electric circuit. Okay, no?
Yes.
That is electric circuit. Well done. Next.
The material that allows electric current to pass through it is called. The material that allows the electric current to pass through is like it is.
Is it a conductor or is it an insulator? What is it? Remember, there are two type of objects. One
it is conductor.
Conductor, no, which allows electric current to pass through it. For
Yeah,
example, copper wire, aluminum wire, like that. Huh? So that is
Yes, sir.
conductor. Okay, next.
Next, a bulb that glows in the current only when the current circuit is
Ayush, hold on there. You are mistakenly reading the circuit as current. Okay, na?
okay.
So don't confuse it. So read this again. A bulb glows in a
Circuit only when the circuit the dash dash. Okay. The bulb glows in circuit only when the
This is a
circuit.
separate question. Okay, na? This is a separate question, by the way. That is question number 10.
I just
Yes, Ayush. The bulb will be glowing in a circuit. Like there are two type of circuit. Okay. Say for example, if the switch is on, thereby the circuit is closed. Circuit is closed. So when the switch is turned on, the circuit is closed and hence the current flows and the bulb will be glowing. But if it is off, the switch is off, the circuit is open. Circuit is open. Getting it? So the bulb will not glow in this situation. So a bulb glows in a circuit only when the circuit is closed. Getting it or not? Okay, not there in class.
yes, sir.
Okay. Seems like you're having some network issue.
Yeah, I was having some internet issue.
Okay, no issue. So what I'm saying that, say for example, let me just draw this again once for you. Say for example, this is a battery. This is a bulb. The symbol of the bulb is like this. Okay, now This is a bulb,
Okay, sir.
and this is a switch. This is a switch like this. Okay. Now,
Sir.
right now the switch is off. Why? Because the two wires are not connected here. As you can see here, it is not connected.
Yeah.
So this is the open circuit. This is called as open circuit when the switch is off. Switch is off in the situation, so it is open circuit, so bulb will not glow. But consider the another situation where now the switch is turned on. So there what happens? You look at the wire in the switch. Are the wires connected or not connected? In the second figure.
Yeah, it is connected.
Connected now? Now the bulb is going to glow. Why? Because here the path is closed. It's a closed circuit. Got this now? So circuit will be of two type. Say for example, the current that is flowing in the house, if someone were to accidentally cut a wire, mischievously, someone were to cut the wire. So the flow of electric current in the house will stop now because the circuit is open. That is one thing. Okay, answer the last question, question number 10.
I'm not sure. Let me make it only one.
Okay, okay.
Illustrations could only conductor used in the host field wiring. Sir, I didn't get this question properly.
Okay, okay, let me tell you. The question is which is a common conductor used in the household wiring. Okay, like when the wiring is done in the house, when a newly built house is made, when a house is newly built, and uh, um, when the electrician will come, so to for the wiring purpose, the wire that he will be using, it will be the copper wire now simply.
Okay.
Copper wire is simply used now. So copper is the most common conductor. It is used in the household wiring. You understood this actually or not?
Yeah, I understood now.
Got this. Very good. So these are some of the important questions which I had already taken. Okay, but we have few minutes left. Do tell me you'd like to do any particular chapter, any particular topic?
Yeah, sir.
Tell me.
Can I just solve one worksheet? Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
It is the worksheet. It is motion and measurement of distance.
Okay,
Can I solve?
yeah, sure. You can just tell me the question and we can do it.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
The questions means the questions are
Hmm.
the question. Okay. First question is what is SI unit of length?
Okay, what is the SI unit of length?
The SI unit of length is like meter.
Hmm. That is correct, in fact. Okay,
Yeah,
now.
it is like choose the correct option.
Oh, okay. You have to choose the correct option. Hmm.
Yes.
So first of all, we need to understand the SI unit. Like, see, earlier, when the metric system was not invented, like for example, here you are living in India, so you will be, let's say, for example, if you went to the market to purchase something, so let's say the length of the cloth were measured using the hand like this, for example. Okay, now, like look at the length of the palm. So with this, the shopkeeper would be measuring the length, like for example, like 1, 2, 3, like 3 hand long, like this, 3 palm long. That's the length of the cloth. But say, for example, some people's palm will be longer, some people's hand are shorter, someone's is bigger. So it's not a uniform method, no, it's not a standard method. Yes, Ayush?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we came up with the requirement of the SI unit, in which no matter whether we are in India, whether we go to the different part, whether we go to Saudi Arabia, whether we go to any given country we are in, we see that length will be having a same unit, that is meter. So the SI unit of length is meter. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
So it is universally accepted anywhere. Everywhere it is universally accepted, and in short, it is represented by a small m. The next question.
Okay. The next question is, uh, which is the standard unit of measuring?
Okay, options are
Options are like my answer,
Ayush,
inch.
can you share the worksheet with the team? Can you share it with the Learnivio?
I want. Okay, sir. I will share.
Okay, okay.
Only 1 minute. Just a 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, I will be waiting. Okay, I have got it from them. 1 minute. Okay, as I can go through it, you have answer for the second question, which is a standard unit of measurement. So you have written finger, step, inch, fist. Yeah, that is correct. Inch. That could be taken as a standard unit of measurement. Okay, Ayush, you there in the class?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, okay. Then for the third question you have answered, what kind of motion is executed by a pendulum of the wall clock? Yeah, so it does an oscillatory movement. It moves like this, forward, backward, right? It does a to and fro motion, right? Now you have a pendulum. It moves from here to here, and from here it goes to here. So that is correct. The system of unit accepted worldwide is called as SI unit. Very good. The distance between 2 points is called its length. Good. The smallest unit of length is millimeter. Also, that is correct. Length of the curved line can be measured using a thread. Very good. Result of measurement is expressed in two parts. They are number and unit. Exactly. Number and unit. The SI unit of time that you have not written. For time, it is second. Okay, now?
Okay, I written now.
Okay, okay. Anyways. Motion in
Okay.
a straight line is called question number 7.
The SI unit of time is second,
Hmm. And
and the
motion is
motion of straight line is called reticulate motion.
no rectilinear. Rectilinear. Okay, now?
Okay, reticular motion.
Hmm. Pronounce it again. It is
Reticular motion.
rectilinear motion. Okay.
Reticular motion.
Hmm. Then you have to correct the following statement. From that, you have the unknown fixed quantity is called a unit of measurement. No. A bullet fired from a gun is an example of a curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion is like this when it will be moving in a curved fashion. No, but it goes
Okay.
in a straight direction. No.
Okay.
The motion that repeats after a fixed interval of time is called as rotational motion. No, not
Uh,
necessary.
no, sir. Means motion of okay, blade of electric okay fan moves of second
Hmm.
hand in a clock.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So the motion that repeats after a fixed interval of time is called rotational motion. That is called as periodic motion. Right now,
Okay.
we have to correct the statement. Okay, like the first statement was the unknown fixed quantity is called a unit of measurement. No, instead of unknown, you will correct it and write known.
Okay.
Known fixed quantity is called as unit of measurement. Okay, na? For
Okay, sir.
second one, it is written that it's a curvilinear, but no, it is
Periodic.
no second one. Second one.
Oh, second one. Okay.
Cut the curvilinear.
It's,
It's not curvilinear. Okay, na, Ayush?
okay. Okay, sir.
The motion that repeats after a fixed interval of time, like rotation of the Earth, for example, it repeats after a certain period of time. Now, the motion of the
Yes.
pendulum after a
Yeah.
certain period of time, the kind of motion repeats. So that is called as a periodic motion.
Okay.
Periodic motion is a type of motion that repeats after some time. Like Earth takes 24 hours to do rotation.
Yes, sir.
Say for example, this is Earth. After 24 hours is over, it will again do the same type of movement. Earth takes about 365 days to do revolution around the Earth. Once 365 and half days completed, 1/4 of a day is completed. Once about 366 days is completed, basically 365 days, then Earth will again start the same movement around the sun now.
Yes, sir.
So motion that repeats after a fixed interval of time, after a fixed time period, that is called as periodic. So you will be correcting it as periodic motion.
Motion.
Okay, next you have written here, give 2 examples for the following. Periodic motion, yeah? Give the
Yes, sir.
examples of this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Like 2 examples for the periodic motions are
Yes. Rotation of the Earth, didn't we learn about that? Yes.
Sir, can I give sir, I'm just thinking the periodic motion.
Okay,
Can
okay,
can I just give the second answer of it?
okay, give the second answer.
Circular motion. Okay, circular motion. Okay, examples of they are like windmill. Okay, or second hand clock of okay, or revolvation of moon around the earth.
Okay, very good. We have so many examples. Some of them you have given very good.
Then reticulate motion means the car is going on the straight highway, or okay, or the or the of a soldier in the soldier is okay. Means like soldier.
Anything that is moving in the straight line. For example,
Like okay,
you walk.
like a okay, like a boy sliding from the slide
From the
in
slider.
this straight way.
Okay, good. Basically, walking on a straight path, walking on the straight footpath, that is also rectilinear motion. Okay, no? That is
Okay,
only.
sir.
For periodic motion, what we know, any kind of motion that repeats after some time. Like the
Like
oscillation
the
of the
swing.
swing,
Like it
very
is
good.
swing.
Swing. We have pendulum, motion of the pendulum, rotation and revolution of the Earth. Rotation and revolution of the
Revolution.
Earth. So all these are the following examples here. Okay. So needle of a swing machine. So the needle of the swing machine is doing what kind of movement?
Uh,
It goes like this, it goes like this, goes down, comes up, goes down, comes up like this. Now, when we look
yes,
at
sir.
the needle of the machine, so it is doing a oscillatory and doing a periodic motion both now. So it's doing a oscillatory and a periodic motion. Getting it now, Habib? Ayush.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, dropping a stone from the roof. So you go to the roof and drop a stone. So will it go like this or will it go simply like this in a straight line?
Like it simply come in like straight line.
So that is rectilinear motion, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Motion of the satellite around the Earth. So how does the satellite move around the sun? In the circular direction like this now, right? See that this is the.
Sir, I can't listen your voice so clearly.
Am I audible? Hello. 1 minute.
No, sir, you're not audible properly.
Am I still not audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Like little bit. Now you're audible.
Let me. 1 minute. So what are we saying about the third question here? That is the motion of satellite around the Earth. Say for example, this is our Earth.
It is like circular motion.
Exactly, no? So this is, let's say, satellite.
Yeah,
It will
it
be
is
moving
circular
around like this.
motion.
So it does a circular motion. Good. Then we have running of an athlete on a circular track inside the stadium. So that is again
A circular motion.
circular motion of a swing. So what does the
Like
swing?
periodic motion.
Periodic plus oscillatory motion. Right now.
Okay, sir.
So we can say it's a periodic motion. That would be a better way. Okay, so that's it. If you have any other questions, please let me know.
No, sir, I don't have any like questions.
Okay, then. That's it for today. We'll be meeting in next class then. Okay, Ayush?
Okay, sir.